guys, in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly how I went about making my Captain America suit pattern, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, hey guys, so basically what I started by doing was just placing some paper on a t-shirt, and basically just mapping out the vest portion, and then I just pulled some reference pictures and just start tracing on exactly what I see on my computer. Using a comic book for reference pictures, then I just go straight to making the back exactly the same way, just tracing on that vest. And then just like putting them together to match up some of the parts that needed to be matched up. Again, just looking at some reference photos, trying to get everything correct. And then I just drew a line through the back for the zipper. And now I'm just refining the details, adding some letters to them so I know what's red, what's white, different colors and stuff. Yeah, now I'm just cutting everything out and just making sure everything's where it goes and everything is cut out, and adding a little bit more detail, taking some stuff back together. Because I want to add more detail and make it look basically how I want it to look rather than how I was trying to make it super quickly, if I'm making sense. But yeah, now I'm just going to start on the pants, basically doing the same thing, just putting papers on. But for this, I'm only doing half a leg, and so then I can just map that out 4 times, which is exactly what I'm doing, and then I just go and start making the pocket, which is a little bit more tedious, but basically just fold paper in a certain way that you see on the picture. That's pretty much how I made the pocket. And then I'm just adding a little flap on the top, and then a little base on the bottom that's a little bit bigger than the pocket that's going to be a different color. And here I'm just trying to refine it exactly how I want it to be, and now I'm just adding a little strip of gray, some more strips of gray and stuff. And I really do apologize for the colors, guys. I tried to color correct it, it just wasn't having it, so I'm sorry, it's not going to happen. On the next video. So if you did all that, you should have a pretty sweet looking Captain America pattern. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like my content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you like my content and want to see more. Follow me on Instagram at calebshellyt and turn on post notifications. Yeah.